Bonjour à tous, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So, after using this Samsung power bank for a while, 10,000 milliamp Samsung power bank, it just died on me. No matter what I did, when I pressed the button or try to charge it, nothing happened, the light stays off, and well, I was about to buy another one, maybe not Samsung, or maybe not the same model. But in same time, as I was browsing Amazon to find the perfect power bank for me, a power bank company reached to me and wanted me to try. So I was perfect timing to try their new model company. It's INIU. Here we go. The 25,000 milliamp power bank right there, and it's supposed to be small and powerful. So we are going to find out about it right now. Let's go. And time for the unboxing of this power bank from INIU. Let's see what we have in the box, how the unit look like, and of course, what's included as accessory. All right, reveal time. Hop. Let's see for the box. Now we do have the main unit itself right there. If I can grab it, let's put it on the side for now. Under it, we do have some user manual and support card. And now on the accessory compartment here, we do have some cable, USB-C to USB-C cable. There is one here. And the storage / transportation pouch in some kind of fabric, which is a bit transparent. And that's pretty much it for the accessory. I was expecting a little bit more than just one cable, to be honest, since they claim that you can recharge multiple devices at the same time. I was expecting them to provide more than one cable, but only one. It's better than nothing, I guess. For the rest, I will have to provide my own cable. But anyway, let's see how the main unit looks like. And another reveal time. Ta-da! Oh, look at that. It's nice and shiny. It fits in the hand. I like the size already. It's very compact. A little bit thick though, but compact nonetheless. So here we do have some LED screen right there. The brand here, and here it says fast charge power bank designed by INIU. All right, on the side here we have nothing. We do have a power button here. I suppose that if we press once, we should see some information about the charge state. So 52% charge right now. Okay, and on the top, it's where the magic happens, with the USB-C port here, another USB-C port on the side there, and USB-C-A port, blue color, 18 watt for this port, 45 watt for this port, and 100 watt if you just use this port with your computer to recharge your computer or your device. And on this side, there is nothing. On the back, some specification about the device. And that's pretty much it. You will notice also that after a few seconds, the screen turns off to save the battery once you press the power button to check the battery status. Here we go, 52%. And after a while, the screen will just turn off automatically. But here it is, this nice 100 watts power bank. Really, I like the fact that it's compact, so it will fit in the pockets much nicely than other bulky units. As you can see here, up in my pocket, no problem, ready to go for when I need it. Now, a little bit more explanation about those ports. So, if you just use one port, like it's written on it, you will have 100 watts on outputs. If you use two ports, you will have on the first port, you will have 65 watts, not 100 anymore. And on the second port, USB-C port, you will have 45 watts maximum output. So that's if you use the two USB-C port. Now, if you use the two USB-C port as well as the USB-C-A ports, now we are talking about 65 watts here on the two USB-C ports and then only 15 watts on the USB-C-A port. So keep that in mind. Depending on the port you are using or how many devices you connect, you will have less power each time you use one more port. The more you use, the less output you get, if that makes sense. I keep telling you that this power bank is compact, but also I have big hands. So to give you an idea, a real idea of the size, here we go. Let's do some measurements. So we do have about 4 inches for the length. For 2 inches 3/4 ish. It's a little bit more than 2.5 inches wide. And the thickness, there we go, will be almost 1.5 inches for the thickness. So now you know better about the real size of this power bank, which is still nicely compact in my opinion. And like I showed you previously, I really like the screen, the LCD screen here. Very nice and bright with all the information display right there, and it's a big screen as well. So I like that. I like the concealed black on black color also. Very nice. Let's put it to the test, charge a few devices and see how it performs, because I'm sure you are here to see that as well. It could be nice, cool, small, compact, but it has also to be charging something. All right, let's go and test that. But of course, since it's only 52% charge from factory, before the first use, don't forget to charge it at 100%, and then you will have the full capacity available of the power bank. And to recharge the device could be a bit confusing because we only have output port here, but if you look correctly on the port 1, it says in and out. That means you use that port to charge the device as well. It provides output, but it also be used for input. So I'm going to plug this cable here, and now I'm going to plug the other side to a normal power block. There we go. And now it should be charging. There we go. We do have some charging in progress. So that's how you charge or you recharge the device. Very simple, using this USB-C port. If you have a USB-C to normal USB cable and you use your normal power block that you use for your phone or tablet, that will work. Or if you have, like I'm using right now, USB-C to USB-C cable, you can use the one provided with the power bank, and then you connect that to your outlet, which is equipped with USB-C like mine right there. So that's the two way of recharging the device. You cannot plug directly this cable to your power outlet. You need some kind of power block that support this USB-C cable and power. All right, power bank is fully charged. I'm going to do a test with my tablet here. I'm using the ports, the more powerful ports at 100 watts. My tablet should show fast charge enable. Let's see. Connecting now. Up. There we go. Hey, look at that. Super fast charging. And as you can see here, super fast charger connected. So that's perfect. The 100 watt port works perfectly with the tablet for fast charging it. So one device, perfect. Now let's plug more device to it. So the tablet is charging. I'm going to connect one of those power jive gadgets to know exactly how much I'm going to draw from the USB ports. There we go. Oh, curious about that. Let's see what we get there. 5 volts, 0 amp, 0.123 milliamp hours here. So I do have my VR headset here that I'm going to try to charge. See how much I'm going to draw here. Let's see. Connecting it. There we go, it's charging. And now we go to 4.9 volts, 0.92 amp for still 126 milliamp hours. But it's still charging, no problem, the tablets and the headset. I'm cheating a little bit because I'm charging the headset with the lowest ports, which is USB-A. If I put on USB-C, it will charge faster. I cannot test that, unfortunately, because my gadget is only for normal USB. But at least I'm able to recharge the headset along with my tablet. And still, despite the fact I'm using 2 ports, my tablet still detects that I'm, here we go, on fast charge, super fast charger connected. Still says that, despite the fact that now I'm using the other port to power or to recharge my headset. Here we go, it's the Quest 3, for those who don't know. That's the Meta Quest 3, but that's how it draws right now, still at 4.95 volts, 0.59 amp. And we have 144 milliamp hours in output. And because I'm curious, I'm going to charge a third device, which is my DJI microphone box. Here, my case. So, I really want to try all three devices charging, the headset, the VR headset, the tablets. And now let's try a third device here. Here we go. And it's charging. So, there we go, three devices. The headset here with this cable. And the box, the case for the microphone, the tablets. And despite all three devices connected, I'm surprised that my tablet still says super fast charger connected and only 37 minutes until full. And that's a Samsung S7 tablet, by the way, for those wondering. So there we go. This little power bank is doing a miracle right now. It's a little bit warm. I guess it's expected. Oh yeah, especially in this area, I can feel warm, but it's just barely warm. It's not super hot, like melting temperature or something, so that's great. It's normal, it's drawing a lot of power through all those ports right there. And well, as you can see guys, that's definitely a great device that I recommend for you to get. See, I was looking for a power bank, I was looking Amazon, and I was not sure which one to get, and boom! This one showed up and it turned out to be a great one. So definitely something, if you don't have any idea of a Christmas present for you or for someone, that's definitely something I recommend to get to put under your tree. Here we go. All good to go. And well, thanks for watching. I'm going to finish charging all that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it has been useful. It's not 100% super technical and stuff like that, but at least you have an idea of how this device works and performs. For me, so far, so good. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.